Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Thank you for joining me for a celebration Saturday. Now the other Saturday I bought you a celebration Saturday project that featured both the Island Vibes and the Special Moments stamp sets, and I loved it so much. Guess what? I played with it straight again afterwards and created another celebration Saturday. So the Island Vibes Cling Stamp set has got 3 images in it, but no sentiments. And the Special Moments Photopolymer stamp set has 21 sentiments and no images. So it works out really well that these two are coordinated together. Okay, the Island Vibes is a completely free stamp set if you spend £45 on my store, SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net, and the Special Moments Photopolymer stamp set is a £90 spend stamp set. So if you spend £90, you get this free. If you spend £135, you can get both free, and that's how celebration works up until the end of February. So thank you for joining me today. This is the card we're going to be making. I quite like it, other than the fact it's a sympathy card, which is always sad, but it's just to demonstrate really that this Special Moments stamp set has a million sentiments that can be used for any time. And it's just really, really good. I say a million, 21, but really there's a lot of sentiments here, and it kind of covers every spectrum of what you'll need, including my favourite, which is Hey Boo. I love that one. Right, let's get started. This is a really quick and simple card to make. So you're going to need the With Sympathy stamp, and you're also going to need this one here in the flower pot. Okay, what you'll also need is you will need a piece of basic white cardstock. This is 10.2 centimetres by 14.5 centimetres, and then you've got your base cardstock. So this is just going to sit with a teeny tiny little frame around the edge. Okay, what you want first up is you want your plant pot one. Okay, and I'm just going to grab a piece of scrap grid paper, and I'm just going to pop this underneath here. So I don't like getting my base grid paper messy because I think it then distracts from the rest of the project. So I'm just going to use this to get messy, and then I can move it off my paper and we're all back to normal. So take your lid off your colour. You can do any colour with this. I just use Merry Merlot. I hadn't used it for some time, and I thought actually it is quite an in sympathy colour because it's deep. You just want to ink up your stamp. Now this is a gorgeous stamp. Let me just show you. Look how it inks. Isn't that gorgeous? It's a distinctive stamp set, and that's what gives it that effect. Now you're just going to want to stamp it off the paper, so let me show you. Okay, so you just want to stamp the bottom part of the card like that. So you just get the top of this stamp and run it all the way around your card, and this is what's going to create the very fun frame. This technique is great. You can use it with lots of different stamps, and it just adds versatility. When you think you've only got 3 stamps in a set, you think, oh, I'm limited. You are not. There's a million different ways you can use them to get some really fun and great effects. So we also have a stamp set called Timeless Tropical, and that has a pineapple in that's very much like the pineapple that's in this set, actually, really nice. And I used that for grass once on a card. So you can use these stamps any which way you want. And as you can see, this one would work as grass. So you'd just cut the top bit off and do exactly what I was just doing with that. And you'd have some grass coming up in between. Really, really simple, really effective ways to do it. Once you've finished that, you just want to ink, stamp up again, and drop it into the corner. So you can see the whole effect of that stamp because it is beautiful. And then I'm just going to grab my memento. I could have done it in the same colour. I was really tempted to do it in the same colour, but I actually thought the black broke it up a bit. So I'm just going to pop that in with my memento, and it fits just in that gap there, like there. So it's actually in part of the stamp, which I just think, wow, I just think it's lovely, but that's me. I think all these things like this are lovely. I was going to blend around the edges, but I decided that I quite liked a crisp, clean card. So instead, I just pop a load of Tombow on the back. I haven't stuck it up with a dimensional. I'm quite liking doing flat cards at the moment. Oh, no, I have got some left. Do you know, I have about 4 or 5 bottles of Tombow, all of which I've started, all of which have little bits in, and I'm waiting for them to finish because there's, here you can see, and they all have just little bits in. They're left over from when I used to do my classes. So pre-COVID I used to do classes and everyone used to get a Tombow to work through with. Obviously I'm not doing the classes at the moment because we can't really get a classroom and lots of people in and everything else. So I have all these little dregs of it left, and every time I do a video I think, oh, I'm going to get to the end of this one. No, they're lasting forever and ever and ever. So there we go. Just to finish this up, I'm going to grab the classic matte dots, and they've got them here in the grey, and I'm just going to grab 3 of these smaller size ones, and I'm going to pop them just in a little line like that after the sentiment, and that's the card done. How quick, how easy, and how simple was that? Everything I've used is available from SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. These 2 stamp sets that I've used today are completely free if you spend £45, £90 or £130, but it only runs until the 28th of February, so if you like them, don't miss out. Thanks everybody for joining me today. I will see you again soon. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.